Got a FS80R here on the bench. I had to reseal the short block. It had a bad leak. I went ahead and put 2 new seals in it, one on each side, and I resealed it. I blocked it off on the exhaust, and I've got my tester hooked up to the intake, and I've already vacuum and pressure tested it. It's good to go. We'll go ahead and get it put back together and see what it does. Getting it put back together here, got the rewind back on it, fuel tank, carburetor intake gasket, and I gotta go ahead and put the carburetor and everything back on it. We'll get it fired up and make sure everything works good. Just make sure when you're putting the carburetors back on these 4137 series STIHLs and a lot of the others, the carburetor impulse gasket goes behind the carburetor. That's got the holes in it like that, and then you want your regular flat air cleaner gasket. There'll be one on this side of the metal plate, and then you've got one on this side of it. So you're going to have one on the front and the back, just like that.